inner or deep part of our brain, which we call our mammalian section, is where our emotions sit, and also all our sensory input. So everything we see, touch, taste, and smell gets coded in this part of the brain.
Okay.
And then our last system is our prefrontal cortex, or our thinking part of the brain, where we think, rationalize, reason. Okay, so with trauma, when an event comes along, there's a small part of our brain deep in the inner part of our brain called the amygdala. And the amygdala is our alarm system that detects danger and initiates fight, flight, or freeze in order to keep us alive during a traumatic event.
Wow.
And it records all the sensory input. It sits very closely to all the sensory, so it records everything we see, everything we touch, taste, smell, the look of someone. All this gets coded in the amygdala.
Okay.
Unfortunately, though, it also kind of shuts down, not literally, but shuts down our prefrontal cortex, our thinking, in order to just focus on surviving.
Wow.
And it codes everything in the amygdala because it says, I need to remember this because the next time I need to stay alive.
Right.
So it doesn't get stored and put away in a nice little file folder. It gets stored more like a shattered mirror.
Oh my
right?
gosh.
An image of pieces that are fragmented, that aren't linear. We don't have a story of a beginning, middle, and end. It's all pieces and fragments. And when we talk about being triggered,
Yes.
that is a signal that something in our environment has triggered anything, a sight, smell, touch, taste that we experienced during the initial traumatic event.
Wow.